Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to connect internet from mobile to PC via Bluetooth. So once you are on your Windows, click on this little arrow icon in the taskbar, then you will see Bluetooth icon. Right click on this one and click on add a Bluetooth device. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to pair up your mobile to the Windows. Okay, now go on your mobile and turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, so once you have turned on Bluetooth on your mobile, then you need to click on add Bluetooth or other device on the Windows screen. Now click on the first option, Bluetooth. Now give it few seconds and it will start searching. Now you can see Galaxy M30s is coming. Now it is connecting. Now click on connect here and also click on OK on your mobile. Your device is ready to go. Okay, now click on done. Now one of the settings that you need to do on your Android mobile is, okay, let me go to my Android mobile here. Okay, now I am on my Android mobile here. You need to go to settings here, go to the connections tab, then find mobile hotspot and tethering. Okay, click on that one. Now you can see the second option, which is Bluetooth tethering. Okay, simply turn it on just like this. Okay, that's what you need to do here. Okay, now I will go back to the Windows. So now you have turned Bluetooth tethering. What you need to do again is go here, click on this little icon, go to the Bluetooth devices icon, right click on this one and click on join a personal area network here. Okay, now you'll see this icon here, Galaxy M30s. Click on this one, right click on this one and click on connect using and click on access point here. Now you can see connection successful. You can see network 27 is coming. You don't need to do anything and you can see the network is connected right now. So I will go to internet, network and internet settings, and you can see Bluetooth network connection, public network. That means it is connected through Bluetooth. One of the common problems that you are going to face is that if you right click on this one and click on connect using, then you'll get a direct connection option. So if you're getting direct connection option, then connect it using direct connection, then restart your computer. Okay, so when you will come back and again you'll go to this window and right click, then you'll get the access point option. Okay, so, after that also, if you're not getting the access point and you are still getting direct connection option, then what you need to do is remove your Android from this PC. Okay, and remove the PC from your Android phone and connect fresh. Okay, freshly connect each other, then you will get the direct access option on your PC. So this is how you will connect internet from mobile to PC. So thank you for watching. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.